How to download Pandora music app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you can go ahead and check out your Play Store, or if you are on an iOS device, open up your App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Pandora Music and tap on it. Select the application, then tap on the install icon to install this application. If by some case you cannot find the application in your Play Store or your App Store, you can check out a browser or a Safari. For an example, I'll open up my Google for this. Tap open your browser. In the search bar, search for Pandora application. Now if you scroll down, you will find the app suggestion right here, and you can just tap on the install bubble given to you. And that is how you can easily download Pandora music application from browser or Safari as well. Once installed, you can tap open. Now, like any other application, you will have to sign in or log in into Pandora. Tap on sign up for free if you do not have an account. Enter email address or password, then tap on log in. And that is how you can easily download Pandora music app. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.